Hey guys, Lockette, and welcome to my first ever plugin tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the Lockette plugin. Now I'm using the Spigot version, but you guys can use the Bucket version. You can guys use any version in any version of Minecraft, but I'm using the Spigot version in 1.10.2. So yeah, all my plugins are going to be in 1.10.2. Just because the server I use is 1.10.2, and also it's the most updated version. So let's get right into it. So basically, Lockette is a plugin which means you can lock chests, or doors, or something along those lines, or furnaces, or kind of enchantment tables and stuff like that from other players. So only you and set players can access that. You can also do a few more things which are pretty cool features, which are kind of off topic, but they're really cool. But the basics is, I guess, if you had kind of a vanilla survival kind of thing, if you like want griefing on or something, but you don't want people to be able to access chests, I don't know, but kind of along those lines. So basically, what we're going to do is we are going to go down to our very first nice little looking chest here, and there's a few ways we can do this. So the easiest way is to simply stand to the side of it and place it on like that. They'll say private and then handicap. But the thing is, you know, you can't edit, like you can edit it, but let me just show you all the ways. The next way you can do this is you can crouch and place it directly. The next thing you can do is put it in front, and then if you do private, oops, just did that in caps, private, and then that's all you need to do. It should lock onto the chest. Same if you crouch and do that. Now, let's say I wanted to add someone. So the way I would do that is I would do private. Then on the next line, let's say I want to add someone called Bob. Or whatever their username is. Sorry. Right, so if we do private. And then imagine my name's there. Then if we put Bob there, it would put me and Bob. So whoever Bob is, they can basically use that chest too. Now, the last way we can add users is this. So we're going to put it on. Then we can do slash, we're going to right click the sign. We're just slash Lockette space. And then we're basically just going to put the user. So let's use Bob again. And that should, never mind. Let me just select that again. And then we're going to put the line before Bob, sorry. So line 3, for example. And then that should, if I spelled Lockette right, that should add Bob. So, let's say we run out of sign space and we have all these signs full. The next thing we want to do is we want to go onto the site. So let's say we want more, well, users. So what we're going to do is go type more users, and we're going to type the users. Or you can do it the way I like to do it, where you just do Lockette 3 and then let's add Rick. Very inventive name. And then Rick will be added. So, that's all to do with the chest. The next thing is a door. So you can private doors so people can basically not get into your base, I guess you could say. So, what we're going to do is we're going to put the sign directly above the door. And then, if we do private, and then let go, that will private the door. So only I can open and close this door. Pretty cool. Now let's say we want to private the door, but we want other people. It's exactly the same as the chest. So I would put Bob, and it would let those people do it. Now the last thing, and I did say there were some cool features. This is one really, really cool feature that I love. So if you do private, and it's just a little bit of security. Then, if you went down another line, and you put one of those brackets, timer, colon, and let's say 5 seconds, colon. If I open this door, in 5 seconds, it will shut. See what I mean? Pretty cool. Anyway guys, so that was basically just a really quick tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, hopefully it helped you guys out. because it really, I don't know, like, I love tutorials. I've used a lot of tutorials in the past, and today I want to do this to you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed, and see you guys in a bit. Bye, guys.